It is very easy to get your free quote with our Day Translations automated quote system. Once you're in the quote page, you'll be able to select within our wide range of services. If you're a Day VIP customer, you can also log in by clicking the button on the top right corner and receive your special discounts. If not, let's continue. When it comes to selecting the service you want to quote for, note that for now, only 2 of our services will provide you with an instant amount: our non-certified translation services and our certified translation services. For the rest of our services, like interpreting, localization, or multilingual marketing, you'll get a custom-made quote via email in under 10 minutes from our round-the-clock project managers. Let's say you need a non-certified translations quote. Fill out the basic information needed and proceed to tell us more about your project. Here, you'll select the source language of your files and the target language you want them translated in. Notice that you can select multiple target languages and language dialects if you wish to do so. If you have files in different source languages, however, you will need to request multiple quotes. Choose the field of expertise or the industry related to your files so we can assign the best translator for the job, and select a deadline for your project so we can give it the urgency it deserves. You'll be asked if you need a certification just in case. Remember, we provide authenticity certificates free of cost at Day Translations. If you don't actually need any translations and just want your files to be proofread by our linguists, tick this box right here. Proceed to add any notes for your project if you wish to do so, and let's start uploading your files. You can either drop or upload your files through your computer, and our system will automatically count the words if your files are valid. If your document contains images, you can check this box if you want to translate the text embedded within them. If you don't actually have your files with you, don't worry, you can request help by clicking this button right here. And if you upload special files that are not supported by our counting system, you will proceed to get a manual quote. But here, all of these types of files are supported, so let's proceed to get a quote. This is your shopping cart. Here, you will see all the details of your project, and you'll be able to select additional services or information, like adding desktop publishing services or choosing to have the translation delivered via mail. On the right panel and at the bottom, you will find the final cost of your project. Finally, click Confirm and Pay to enter your payment details and start your project. You'll be able to pay by credit or debit card, PayPal, bank transfer, or check. If at any point you want to speak with our project management team, remember to click the Request Help button we showed you in the previous steps. Or click on the Messenger button to speak with our customer service team instantly. Thank you for choosing Day Translations, and get ready to go global.